welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to remove your lace wig without damaging your edges and stuff. So I got this sample from this company that I have been trying out for my brand, so I'm not going to be releasing that information until I figure things out, but I'm just going to show you guys how to remove your wig. So it is a spray, so I'm just going to be spraying it onto my edges. This is my first time using this, so I don't know the outcome as yet. So I'm just spraying it onto the lace. So I'm just gonna let that sit for like 5 minutes and see if it comes out, and if not, I'm just gonna be spraying some more. I think I did that directly on my forehead. So I'm just gonna let that sit for like 5 minutes and then come back and show you guys. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna try to removing the wig. I'm not gonna be yanking it or anything. I'm just gonna slightly lift it to see if it's ready. It do not look ready, so I'm just gonna spray a little bit more on there. I didn't spray much. This side looks like it's pretty much coming out. I'm gonna spray some more because I don't want to yank it out. And it does run down your forehead, so make sure you have a piece of paper towel to dab it. See, this side is pretty much ready. This side is getting there, but it's not there yet. I had to reinstall this wig, by the way, because I felt like it was sliding back already. See that? I need to spray right here because I didn't spray right there. So it came out so smooth. Like, all I did was spray it twice. I just need to spray these two ends, because again, we're not trying to yank anything out. Look at that. Yeah, that was so easy. I just need to spray this side because this side seems to be really tough. So I'm gonna spray that. As far as I'm concerned, it does work. It works amazing. I will be selling this on my website. Yeah, I will be selling this on my website because it did work. This is my first time trying it out. I'm probably going to try it a second time to see if it really works, and then I'm going to add it to my website. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, y'all. My baby hairs are still there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my hair is not yanked out or anything. So see you guys in my next video.